What's up, everybody? Here, Ivan. I'm gonna make this video on GoRingless Extreme. I've been involved with this system like a year and a half, but I've been banking a lot lately. Right now, this test account my brother just joined. He's 16, turning 17. He told me, "Hey, I want to learn what you're doing online." So I told him, "Okay, all right, just take action. If you don't do nothing, you're not gonna make it happen." Okay, yeah, well, just teach me. Okay. So he's learning. This is his account. So he's been getting a lot of leads. I've been teaching him and holding him by the hand since he's my little brother. But yeah. Let me show you his stance and leads that he's beginning with my strategies. He joined he joined on Monday or Tuesday? Yeah, Tuesday I think, because Monday I wasn't available to help him. So yeah, he's beginning a lot of leads with this new strategy that I just learned, a new service to send on Ringless, text blasting in Ringless, voice drops, unlimited, a day, for a one-time cost. No, it's not a one-time, it's $160 a month. But right now I'm going to show you the difference on GoRingless Extreme and this new service that I just testing. No, that I just got involved because I'm going to be heavily promoting it. So he got a lot of leads. Like he got this sale on autopilot. I don't think he really talked to these people. And yeah, all these people, you just gotta text them back about the business, or they will follow up with your messages that you have on your capture page. So yeah, he's been doing good lately. This is a pass out to a spot. Oh yeah, this one only paid the admin fee. That's what he told me, the first person that signed up. He only paid the admin fee, but he didn't pay to a sponsor. So it went to the other person, the second person that paid went to the sponsor. It's a one-up pass up. So yeah, he's been. I'm surprised. I thought he wasn't gonna take action, but he's really taking action. So what this GoRingless Extreme, I know a lot of people are really involved in this business or another business the same, but on this system they give you night softwares so you can get leads. They have PayPal financing that for 6 months you don't pay interest and payments. After that you gotta pay interest, but in 6 months, to tell you, you will make more the loan that you will be getting if you don't have the funds to join right now. So they give you all these softwares. Here are the training videos, how it works and everything. I'm not gonna go over that because it's explanatory right here. This is the softwares that they give you. They give you 9. I use most this one. Yeah, this one, custom. It just click on custom right here and extract people from MLM. And they give you a lot of phone numbers, emails, and yeah. And what this one, to run back page. This is more for if you want. I've been doing this for CPA marketing. It works pretty good too. It's a little bit time consuming, but it works pretty good. Like if you wanna get people from, sorry, not this one, selling cell phones, just get their email or phone number and text them, "Hey, I got an offer for if you want to earn a free iPhone or something," and they will say yes. What to do? Or just send them the link and they'll put the email. So, and you'll get a conversion from the CPA network, $1 or $2, depends on the CPA network that you're working on. But yeah, this one works for CPA too if you wanna do CPA marketing too. So yeah, this is the software that they give you. Here's the extractions that you get, like this one from California, business and commercial insurance. Yeah, they would join this GoRingless system because they would always looking for people, like from Backpage. They will email them or text them or something, or send them something on the mail because you get the address to other people. Sometimes in some softwares, not all of them. But yeah, this one, I have this one. Business cards from California. And yeah, and this one's for automatic and consistent leads from, and they're working pretty good too. You just gotta know how to figure out how they work and everything, how these people work, because they were involved in the business or MLM business, and they didn't it didn't work out for them. So something they call you, hey, this is a scam or something. I know they've been calling me that. But some people are cool and they say, yeah, I want to learn. Just send them a friendly message and they will respond back good, as long as you. But if you send them your link and everything's gonna be a whole different story. So yeah, this is the leads that you get. What else? Okay, about the campaigns. Sorry. That's why I joined this Skipio. I gotta tell you right now, because right here on GoRingless Extreme, they charge a lot to send a voice drop. So like this, what I send daily is like 3K to 5K, Monday to Friday. Saturdays, maybe, but not really, because I know people are with the family, they're enjoying the family, they don't want to get bothered sometimes. But some people respond back. It's all about sending the Ringless message to the right people in this business. You send to people that are not, they don't even know about this business. They're gonna say, hey, it's a scam and everything. Hey, hey, I know, because I've been testing it and people, hey, you're a scammer, I'm gonna report you. Okay, whatever. So just don't listen to them and move forward. So on GoRingless Extreme, they charge you $99 and $95 to send 3,245 voice drops. So yeah, that's, to me, it's cool or not. It's cheap. It's more from a lot of ringless voicemail systems that I've been noting. That's good. That's a good price. But I found this one, Skipio. You can send unlimited voice drops. Unlimited texting too, a day. So that's why it's it's 160 a month. But hey, you can send unlimited a day. And this one is it's 99 and 95 to just send 3,245. So it's worth it. This is worth it. And how it works and everything. If you want to send a message or a text message or a voice drop, just like right here. I already sent, I don't know, I just sent a couple hours campaign. So I don't know if you can let me do it again. But yeah, like this one, I have like 2,000. I just sent it by 2K every couple hours. So just put it right here. It has 2K leads right here. Now, and if you want to send a text, how it works, and just put your text. You want to put a picture too. A picture right here. You can put a picture. If you want to record a video, audio, or make it more private, so people will be more interested in. Yeah, it works and everything, but I just send something, a picture, like a proof, payment picture, social proof. But it works pretty good, and yeah. And how do you send voice routes? Right here, just click right here, ringless. This is my best. I have 3, and this is the one that is working out pretty good. And just press continue, and it will tell you the delivery of. Right now, I had I already sent a campaign right now, so I gotta wait for a couple, I don't know, until they finish. Yeah, a couple hours, no, a couple minutes. Yeah, I just gotta wait. So just schedule it and send it. So yeah, the Skipio is working out pretty good. I didn't have it before, but somebody told me, one of my business partners told me about it, and I thought I was more interested in ringless voice routes, but I thought they were charging for every GoRingless right here, every voice route, but not. It's a limit. It's unlimited to send for a monthly fee, so that's good. I'm paying right now $160 for ringless voicemails and text blasting daily, so that's good. And you can send pictures on text blasting. That's what I like. I have the other one. The other one I made a video, but you only can send text messages. You can send pictures and nothing. So yeah, the Skipio platform is working out pretty good for me. And you have a CPA. If you want to do CPA too, they give you $5 for each phone number. Yeah, for each. I was doing this last year, but they were working on it in the company, and they told me, hey, I was doing just Facebook groups, and a lot of people were putting their international. It was my mistake too. I didn't know. I knew, but I was just testing it, and I made a lot of money at just Facebook groups. This is what I made last year. I think it was May and June. Yeah. This is what they pay you $5 per phone number per lead, but it's gotta be in the U.S. and Canada. If it's in the another country, they won't give you a conversion of credit. If you put a lot of international phone numbers, they will cancel your account. So right now they have it more. They told me, my affiliate manager told me, hey, I already put a system that I already detects international phone numbers. I said, okay, cool. And yeah, they pay me, and they want me to promote it again. I might do it again because they pay me, to tell the truth. And those days I was involved in all CPA networks that were paying good too. But yeah, since I'm having the system, I'm gonna promote it to on CPA marketing this couple of weeks, so it's gonna work. It's gonna work pretty good. I'll get another additional income on this system. But yeah, how I get leads to an automatic income system. If you want more leads, you can get it right here. Automatic income system. You can start as a free, but they don't give you leads. You can earn $10 per sale for free as a free member. And right here, engage 25, but they give you 2,500 leads. Starter 10K. Silver. I started with this one. They give you right now. They give you 25, but they used to give 50K. But I don't know. Oh yeah, because they added engage. So okay, cool. I didn't know that until now. But yeah, if you want this, they work out pretty good. You just gotta know how to text them. You send them your link and everything, they won't respond back. You just gotta know how. People, they have to know you first, and they will say, oh, okay. They will be more comfortable and everything, join. But yeah, that's what I'm doing right now on GoRingless Extreme. I've been having a lot of success with Skipio and automatic income system. So if you have questions, doubts, concerns, let me know on Facebook. Inbox me, please. I know sometimes I don't respond fast because I'm doing something else. And yeah, I've been getting a lot of messages lately, so I will try to answer them as soon as possible. Alright, thanks for watching the video.